Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best World War II Toys is probably one of the most fascinating and historically significant toy categories, offering a unique blend of educational value and engaging play, ranging from meticulously detailed model kits of iconic tanks and aircraft to realistic replicas of weaponry and military vehicles. These toys provide a tangible link to a pivotal moment in history, sparking curiosity and inspiring imaginative play. While some prioritize historical accuracy and detail, others focus on action. Packed features and interactive elements, ensuring there's a perfect World War II toy for every collector and enthusiast. Number 5. Cheerwing Tiger IRC Tank. Get ready for action-packed fun with this incredible remote control tank. It's meticulously detailed and packed with exciting features. This mini tank boasts stunning realism, replicating the iconic Tiger I design down to the smallest detail. You'll be amazed by its accuracy. Experience the thrill of battle with its fully rotating turret and realistic recoil action. It's like having a real tank battle in your hands. It's incredibly easy to operate, making it perfect for both kids and adults. Enjoy hours of fun with its simple controls and exciting features. It's perfectly palm-sized, making it portable and convenient. Take it anywhere for instant fun. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it provides up to 15 minutes of playtime on a single charge. Get ready for extended battles. Surprise your loved ones with this unique and exciting gift. It's the perfect present for any military enthusiast or RC toy lover. What we like. It is a remote-controlled tank with a rotating turret and realistic sound effects. If you are looking for an interactive and engaging toy that brings the thrill of battle to life, this is the perfect choice for you. It's suitable for kids and adults who enjoy playing with remote-controlled vehicles and military toys. What people say. The detail on the tank is great. Sound is loud but can be toggled off by pressing the high-low speed button with the turret rotation button. The turret actually spins in 360, each button press toggles the turret to reverse direction, which I took advantage of for mounting an FPV camera. The construction is great, but I'll ripping most of it apart since the charging port, speaker, and on-off switch are on the bottom, which is really bad for driving over anything liquid. It feels like a solidly built toy, and the plastic isn't too cheap and flimsy. Plus, it has a bunch of sweet functions such as forward, backward, zero turning, turret rotation, kickback when you fire it, and lights and sounds. Number 4. World War II Army Tank Building Kit. Get ready for an epic build. This kit lets you create two legendary World War II tanks, the German Tiger and the American M4 Sherman. With over 1,100 pieces, it's a challenging and rewarding experience. It's perfect for developing fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. It's compatible with other major building brick brands, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Let your imagination run wild. These aren't just tanks, they're detailed replicas, complete with sandbags, guns, and cannons. It's like stepping back in time. Made with high-quality, durable pieces, it's a toy that will stand the test of time. Hours of fun await. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays or holidays. It's ideal for kids and adults who love history, building, or military vehicles. What we like. This set lets you build two iconic World War II tanks with over 1,000 pieces. If you enjoy challenging building experiences and collecting detailed models, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids and adults who love building blocks and military history. What people say. It comes with too many Lego figures for each tank and a bunch of weapons along with the tanks. Instructions are a little vague, but overall it's a great set. Had fun assembling. It's definitely a good value, and its minifigure scale great for a diorama. The Tiger tank is well designed and was easy to build. The pieces are well made, and I had very few issues where I had to remove little leftover plastic from the molds. Stickers were excellent. Number 3. General Jim's Ju-88 Bomber Blocks. Introducing the General Jim's Ju-88 Bomber Building Set, a detailed replica of the iconic World War II aircraft. It's perfect for history buffs and building enthusiasts alike. This impressive set contains 559 pieces, allowing for a highly accurate and engaging build. You'll enjoy the challenge and the satisfaction of creating this classic aircraft. With many moving parts, it's more than just a static model. It's a dynamic representation of the Ju-88, capturing its power and design. It's compatible with all major brick brands, so you can integrate it into your existing collection. Expand your world of building possibilities. This set makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to be treasured by any building block enthusiast. Add this detailed and historically significant model to your military-themed collection. It's a must-have for any serious builder. What we like. This detailed Ju-88 bomber model has many moving parts and is compatible with other major brands. If you are a fan of aircraft and enjoy building intricate models, this one is for you. It's a great gift for builders of all ages and skill levels who love military aircraft. What people say. Clear instructions, pieces fit well, and the decals are very realistic. The minifigs are great and come 3 parts trees full of weapons and kit, which are all accurate. There are Lugers, broom-handle Mausers, an MP-40, K-98 rifles and even an STG-44. He was amazed at the amount of detail and workmanship that went into the pieces and couldn't wait to finish. He loved all the moving parts and the size of the finished product. He had it put together within about 2 hours. Number 2. BMC D-Day Utah Beach Playset. Get ready to relive the iconic D-Day landings. This detailed playset brings the battle to life. It includes 24 soldiers, ready for action. Plus, you'll find 12 Czech hedgehogs and 2 mortars for added realism. See the famous Higgins boat that carried troops to shore. It's a key part of this historically accurate set. The set also features a detailed pillbox bunker, complete with a flak gun. Prepare for defense. With its 1/32 scale, it's perfect for recreating the D-Day invasion. Start your historical battle today. It's made from durable plastic, ensuring it can withstand hours of play. Collect them all. What we like. This playset features highly detailed figures and accessories that recreate a D-Day scene. If you like creating realistic battle scenes and enjoy highly detailed miniature figures, this is a great choice. It's perfect for collectors and those who enjoy historical reenactments. What people say. Loads of detail, much thought was put into this product. Durable, well made. He's always loved history, especially World War II, so he was extremely impressed that it was very historically accurate. The characters and durable and detailed. Number 1. WWII Toys Military Base Set. It's time for battle. This massive set has everything you need to create your ultimate military base. Command an army of 200 soldiers. Each one is highly detailed and ready for action in a variety of poses. With 100 accessories, including tanks, airplanes, and more, the possibilities are endless. Build the perfect battlefield. Construct a large bridge, set up military trenches, and plant your flags. The battles will be legendary. It's made of high-quality, lead-free materials and comes in a convenient storage container for easy cleanup and organization. It makes an amazing gift for any child who loves military adventures. Give the gift of imaginative play. What we like. This massive set includes 200 soldiers, 100 accessories, and a large storage container. If you are looking for a large-scale military playset with lots of accessories and easy storage, this is ideal. It's perfect for kids who love imaginative play and large-scale military scenarios. What people say. My little boy loves this set. It has a lot of different men and in different colors so he can use them all in a group setting. The bin is sturdy and holds them all great. My boys ages 6 and 9 absolutely love playing with this. There is enough for them to battle each other with plenty of pieces. It's a nice selection of different items and visually appealing. Comes with 4 groups of soldiers, all kinds of accessories, trucks, tanks, planes, horses, boats, weapons, name it. With a storage container. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.